This is the LMTD Interactive Calculator, which solves for the log mean temperature difference in heat exchangers. Let's look at the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can calculate LMTD given all temperatures, calculate cold outlet temperature, calculate hot outlet temperature, calculate heat duty from LMTD and UA, calculate required heat transfer area, or compare counterflow versus parallel flow. For this demo, I'm using calculate LMTD given all temperatures. Now enter your temperatures. Hot inlet temperature in degrees Celsius, hot outlet temperature in degrees Celsius, cold inlet temperature in degrees Celsius, and cold outlet temperature in degrees Celsius. Then input your flow parameters. Hot mass flow rate in kilograms per second, hot specific heat in kilojoules per kilogram, Kelvin, cold mass flow rate in kilograms per second, and cold specific heat in kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin. Let's calculate using these values. Hot inlet 120, hot outlet 60, cold inlet 20, cold outlet 50, hot mass flow rate 2.5, hot specific heat 4.18, cold mass flow rate 3.0, and cold specific heat 4.18. The calculator returns an LMTD of 53.61 degrees Celsius. It also shows delta T1 hot end at 70 degrees Celsius and delta T2 cold end at 40 degrees Celsius. Find the link in the description below.